This is my 3D printed photo cube my brother made for me. That's him. Me. It's me and my best friend during the banana famine, early 2000s. Whew, don't break it. There's me and Jeff. And one more of my bro. The top's got a nice checkerboard pattern. And I absolutely love it. Came in the mail today in a box that says Happy Birthmas Times Day, something like that. It was addressed to Lex Luthor, but I assume it was for me. So thank you, bro. This is really cool. And thank you for the extra thing of pictures you can't see in the dark.